Ngayong nagbigay na nga ng utos ang International Boxing Federation o IBF para magkaroon ng mandatory title defense ang kasalukuyang junior flyweight champion na si Sebenati Nochinga ng South Africa, isang malaking pagkakataon nga ito para sa ating Filipino boxer at number 1 mandatory challenger na nasabing titulo na si Christian "The Bomb" Araneta. Muli nga pong mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na lumaban sa isang world title fight sa pangatlong pagkakataon itong ating top Filipino prospect na si Christian "The Bomb" Araneta. Kung ating nga pong maaalala, taong 2021 unang nagharap itong si Sebenati Nochinga at si Araneta. Sa kanilang naging laban para sa IBF title eliminator, natalo nga itong ating kababayan via unanimous decision. Bagamat natalo itong si Araneta, binigyan niya ng magandang laban itong Aprikano. Nagawa niya pa nga pong mapabaksak sa 12 rounds ng kanilang naging bakbakan. Kaya naman kung mapapalansya nga ng ayos ang negosyasyon ito, magsisilbing rematch para sa dalawang boksingero. Galing nga ang dalawang boksingerong ito sa napaka-impresibong panalo sa kanilang naging huling laban. Ito nga pong si Sebenati Nochinga muling nakabawi at muling naging kampiyon nang talunin niya ang umapsit sa kanyang si Adrian Coriel by round 10 technical knockout. Habang ito namang ating Pilipino prospect na si Christian Araneta, nakuha nga po ang malaking pagkakataong itong mapalaban sa world title fight ulit nang pasukuin niya ang kapwa Pilipino nito lamang January 2024 na si Arvin Magramo para sa kanilang world title eliminator sa loob lamang ng round number 1 na ginanap nga mismo dito sa Pilipinas sa Cebu City. Sa kasalukuyan may 24 wins with 19 knockouts at may 2 talo lamang itong ating Filipino prospect na si Araneta. Habang ito namang si Nochinga may 13 wins with 10 knockouts at may nag-iisang talo. Marami nga po ang nagsasabi na malaki ang tsansa nitong si Christian "The Bomb" Araneta na maging world champion at talunin itong kasalukuyang kampiyon na si Sebenati Nochinga. Kaya naman mga idol, sa video natin ngayon ating balikan ang kanilang unang naging salpukan at ating panoorin kung paano nga ba pinahirapan ni Christian Araneta itong si Sebenati Nochinga. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy mga idol, huwag niyo pong kalimutang suportahan itong ating mga videos. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video.
No doubt you can really see there's a difference between Araneta and Pakla. That he's very calm, not rushing. Very.
Some good punches now from Sebenati Nochinga. Sometimes makes it, not sometimes, often makes a difficult fight when you get two really good guys like this facing each other.
Yes,
It's hard to land because
exactly.
they're both so skillful.
Exactly.
Gets stacked, some brilliant stuff there now from Christian Araneta. Ends around in style. Nochinga said, bring it on, and he brought it on.
Yeah.
Ended the round in style.
That's a shame. You know that because of that we shall not be able to deliver.
Good punches from Araneta. And he's a class act, Sebenati Nochinga. Doesn't get tired, doesn't get hit, doesn't get flustered. And he's a cool cucumber.
Yeah, once again, that champ, you can really see also his movements, well calculated. He doesn't just move that, throw some good punches that are around 9, we're around 10 right now. But Nochinga, his left jab that is working, he's working very hard to keep that Christian Araneta is really that hunting that they.
Wow, that was incredible. Incredible. He's gone down with 38 seconds to go in the 12th and final round. But he says he's okay.
Yep.
Oh, he's holding on now. Simonotti's in trouble. 18 seconds to go. There's been a knockdown.
They were asked to do this,
Ladies and gentlemen, that bout goes a distance of 12 rounds, and we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Jaap Ebenezer scores about 114 to 113. Clifford and Bellew scores about 115 to 112. Jean-Pierre Fornim scores about 114 to 113, giving the right to challenge for the IBF Light Flyweight Championship. Very next fight, it's going to be from South Africa, Simonati Nontshinga.
There's your winner, Simonoti Nontshinga.